Back to work since I was rudely interrupted.
Girl.
Good morning, you guys. Happy Sunday. So I'm up. It's currently something o'clock. It's something o'clock. I didn't come back last night after I got home. I went to bed, so that was the end of that. It's 9:05. So I'm up getting ready to take some more pictures. Because the ones I took yesterday, the video came out fine, but I thought I could use the video to, what do you call it? Screenshot the pictures. But the problem with that is it didn't, it didn't work right because the camera was vertical. So when you snap it, the picture's not wide enough for me to use on Instagram. So I got to reshoot, which is no problem. We have book club today. So I'm going to have to get up and get dressed anyway and put makeup on. So just doing a mask right quick. And it's almost dry, so yeah. And then Jalynn and Mari are leaving at 12 to go visit their dad. So they're going over there and they'll be back later. They may be back before I leave for the book club and they may not. So I'll just let them know I may be gone when they get back. And it's really cool right now. It's like 40 degrees outside. Oh, I did book the camping trip. So we're going to camping in a couple of weeks. And the kids are coming with me. So I asked them. I wasn't going to. At first I was going to go by myself and didn't care if they come or not. But they're going with me. We're actually going on some weekdays because now Mari is off on Monday, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays. So he's not off on the weekends anymore. So Jalen's just going to miss, she's going to miss like 4 days school. I don't even care. It is what it is. They might change their mind anyway because it might be cool. But anyway, so for the book club today, you're supposed to wear your birthstone color for today's book club. And it will be outside. So I bought this cream colored sweater that has like some dark elements in it, and the reason why I bought it is because, you know, in October you can be opal or like this pinkish color, and so, you know, I'm not gonna wear no pink because clearly I don't have any and shall not. So I bought this sweater from Target, sweater dress from Target. Super cute. I might cinch it in at the waist a little bit, and then I'm gonna wear my snakeskin boots and possibly bring a sweater or a jacket. Maybe my new jacket or this one, the plaid one. It is what it is because I shall not freeze to death. I shall not. I shall not. So the first thing I need to do is re-record one section of my video. And I'm hoping the lighting is not different. And I think the lighting... See, the only thing about when you recorded something yesterday, like I must have not been recording when I was doing one part of my reel. And so I may just have to do the whole thing over. Because, you know, the lighting is different. The camera might be in a different spot. And so it won't come out sort of like I want it. So I just may re-record the whole thing. Which is completely fine. It is what it is. It is what it is. And maybe now since I practiced it so much yesterday, I'll get it right on the first try. So I'm just gonna get my makeup on and get that together and do this little reel right quick, and then we'll probably work on getting pictures. So I found my little clicker. It was in the most obvious place yesterday, the place that I thought I would look for it and still didn't look for it. I don't know where's the most obvious place. I need to find somewhere to put like my tools when I am doing photo shoots at the house where I know everything is in one spot, or put it in a bag or some child, because I look everywhere for that little clicker. Guess where it was? Guess where it was? Behind this little thing, because behind here is like where I put my little charger and I charge my camera battery and put all my little stuff, and it was right behind there. And this morning I was like, maybe it's behind there. Sure damn enough, it was behind there, child. All my grief yesterday. For no reason, but I'll be back. I'm back. I'm still taking pictures, but I have to fix Jalynn hair right quick. But I just want to show you guys, look how big her afro has gotten. Y'all remember, was it last Christmas you wore afro?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, last Christmas when Grandma did it, and then it was really nice.
So this is how big it's gotten. Like so big. So I just sprayed it with some water. Jalyn's gotten really good. She's learned how to detangle her hair. She's not pretty. She still needs to work on getting all like the little lint bubbles out of there. But other than that, she did a really good job. Her hair is super soft. So I just sprayed it down. Some water. I'm about to use some Cantu. A little bit of Afro and a little bit of Cantu. Define and Shine. She's just going to wear her Afro for the rest of the week. Her dad is going to get her hair done this weekend coming up, I believe. Oh, wait. When is he getting your hair done if we go into the pumpkin patch on the 13th? You need to find out today.
Oh, I forgot about that now.
So we need to find out when.
I did not think about that.
Huh?
I did not think about that. Well, he's gonna get the same girl who braided my hair like that. So I think I'll be at his house.
Lately nothing's coming my way. Keep drowning every bit of my devotion, sinking deeper every day. And lately I am missing my reflection in every muddy puddle on the pavement, driving every thought into distortion. But I will get it up, work even harder. My mama used to say that it's the way smarter, and to realize that the river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. Nothing we could ever do but let it flow. The river. Yay!
All right, finished with a teenager. Now back to work. Back to work since I was rudely interrupted.
Girl.
Rudely interrupted it.
Motion, leave every obstacle behind. I promise it could happen any day now, and soon enough I'll also see the light, get a little glimpse of my emotions. Yeah, I will get it up, work even harder. My mama used to say that it's the way it goes. Feeling's gonna make me smile.
The kids just left to go over their dad's house. I am still taking pictures at 12. My iPad died, so I need to wait a few minutes for that. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and edit this vlog while I'm waiting. I don't want to move my phone because I want all my pictures to be the same place today. So, not gonna do that. So my office is such a mess. I'm not even gonna show y'all. Y'all see it in the background. See it in the background. It's such a mess in here, you guys. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. Alrighty. Try to get some editing done so you guys will have a video tonight. I'm gonna do some editing. I think I'm finna grab me something. So I'm gonna be like yesterday and didn't eat anything. I think I'm gonna get me some grapes. There's nothing. Maybe some grapes and an apple. Yeah, something like that. But I'm about to edit and then eat something, and I will check in with you guys a little bit later. Finish editing. I'm cooking bacon. I have 1 egg left, so I'm gonna cook that. That's what I'm gonna eat. I'm about to start weighing these new products right quick and change the pictures on the website. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Burning up my whole peanut. Turn it down a little bit. Let me finish cooking and stuff, and I will check in with you guys a little bit later. I'm running a little late for the book club, but this is my outfit. I got makeup at the top of my dress. I hate it sometimes. But this is my outfit. So this is the cream colored dress that I got from Target. I got it like back in, I think, September sometime. Maybe even a little bit before then. Sweater dresses always got something weird in it. So it comes all the way down and it looks like this. It's super cute, very nice and flattering. I thought it would fit loose, but it doesn't. And I have it in a size large, and then of course I got my snakeskin boots from last year. And so just to make it pop a little bit, I'm gonna put on my coat. It is 68 degrees. We will be outside today, so y'all know I do not like to be cold. So, well, y'all can't even see. There you go. I do not like to be cold, so I'm going to try to show you guys what this looks like with the coat on. So you guys can see coat. So this is what the full outfit looks like. So this is a cute date night look for sure. Just going on a date night. You have your little waterfall coat. Get you a nice sweater dress. Some statement boots or something. And I think it'll be super cute. I have to clean up my room when I get back. And I won't be going out after book club. I have so much stuff to do. And work starts tomorrow, so I'm probably be up another long nighter tonight. I was up last night late too. So yeah, this is the outfit. Let me go because I'm running late like I said. So I'll see you guys later.
I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly.
Alright guys, I'm back to the house in my loungewear set. And I'm gonna put the thumbnail on this video so it can go live in an hour. It's basically ready, but you know, you gotta put the finishing touches on stuff.
I'm too fly. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer.